Let's make a bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. Ingredients include a slice of bacon, an English muffin, a slice of American cheese, 1 egg, butter, and salt and pepper. I'm making my bacon in the microwave. Cover it with a paper towel and place it into the microwave. I like my bacon very well done, to the point of being burnt. So I'm going to put it in there for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time to toast the English muffin. Let's get the egg ready. I break 1 egg to a small bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste. I like quite a bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. The bacon's usually salty enough. Now let's stir it with a fork. Time to get the bacon. As you can see, I've accomplished my goal of making it very well done. Now place the egg in the microwave. I found that 45 seconds is just about right for a single egg. Time to assemble our breakfast sandwich. Start by buttering the bottom muffin. Let's get that egg out of the microwave after 45 seconds. I usually use the butter knife I just used to scoop the egg out of the small bowl and place it on the bottom muffin. Next, we'll add our slice of very well done bacon. Top that with our slice of American cheese. And finally, cover it with the top muffin. There, doesn't that look good? Let's eat.